Do you want to update to Windows 11? Let's do it. First go to the link in the description. Then click on the Download Now button. Before downloading you must ensure that your PC is compatible for Windows 11 by the Checkup tool. Once you downloaded the file, go to the file location and open it. Now you can see a setup is opened, just accept the agreements. Now you can see it started downloading the file. The downloading time will be based on your internet speed. After downloading it will automatically install and do the remaining steps. You just have to wait for it to complete. After all the setups and restarts you can see the beautiful Windows 11 is here.